I'm Kevin Tate. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer for Rigado, and Rigado provides connectivity and computing for commercial IoT. Part of what excites me about IoT is it's still early. So everyone we're working with is doing something for the first time. They're learning, they're curious, they're trying to create something of value for their customers or their customers' customers. So there's a tremendous energy and inventiveness around the whole space that makes it a lot of fun. So Rigado's specialty is low power wireless connectivity and computing. So we provide Cascade, which is an edge as a service platform to let companies deploy gateways to connect to end devices, gather data, run applications to control those devices, and then integrate with the cloud. And we offer Cascade as a subscription so that the whole edge infrastructure can be secure and scalable for $9 a month. Well, at some level, every commercial IoT project, and by that I mean things like smart lighting, smart buildings, asset tracking, is about going from device to cloud. But the challenge is there's a lot of steps in between. And so there's the hardware aspects of connectivity and range and battery and protocols. And then there's a computing challenge around how to run those applications and get that data securely and take actions on those devices. And then there's the whole cloud integration side. How do you actually get data into business systems and make business decisions that add value to the company? That's a lot. And so typically companies are bringing together multidisciplinary teams, a lot of them with technology that's very new and might not have been deployed in that environment before. And so a lot of the problems we run into, companies we work with run into, is how do you know what technology to use where? And how do you figure out where you want to invent new stuff or where you can leverage things that already exist and get to market faster? So in a lot of cases, what we're trying to do and what Rigado partners with Losant to do is accelerate the timeline. And let's get more quickly to something that we can test and create real business value to learn from. Especially given the complexity of IoT, partnerships are more important than ever. Typically, when we're working with a larger company, we'll be providing the edge infrastructure. Another company might be providing the actual devices and sensors. Yet another company might be the IoT platform, and another doing systems integration and application development. And that's at a minimum. So you've got 5 companies coming together to create something for the first time. And so figuring out how not just to fit together, but to create things like reference architectures and proven technology stacks that companies can start with and succeed with is incredibly important in helping customers get to market faster. Well, in a lot of ways, Rigado and Losant are trying to solve some of the same problems. How do we get customers to succeed faster and get to market more quickly so they can start learning and start building business value? And we come at it from a hardware and infrastructure perspective, and Losant's platform is exactly the type of application that we think runs very well in our infrastructure environment and lets a company quickly prototype, develop, and deploy applications at scale.